Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today we will see how to use Google Sheets to make a classroom schedule. First of all, we will rename it as ClassroomSchedule classroom schedule. Then we can come up here and type in SUNDAY, the next one MONDAY. Select both of them, go to this corner, fill it up until Thursday. Friday's added by mistake, so we can delete it. On top, we can add the numbers of period 1, 2, and similarly select both of them. Go to this corner, hit up to period 7 or 6, whatever it is required according to the question. Then we can add up here the periods SCIENCE, science, English, math, Arabic, PE. We can select all of them. We can make them in center from now onwards. We can go here, make them in center, select the number of days, make them big, for example 14 size. Select the number of days, change the size to 14 or whatever you may like. I will choose 14 size. I will keep them on the left side. I can change the writing style for all of them as maybe the comforter. I can make them the number 1 to 7. I can make them again the same size of the days. I can make them bold so they would stand out a little bit. I can select all of them. I can go up here. I can choose the color of the border, for example blue color. I can change the style of the border which I like. Maybe I will go for medium thick lines. Then I will click on all borders. The border is created and your schedule is created. Now you can even select all of them. You can give a background color, a light background color. We chose this blue color, then maybe we can choose this lighter color at the background. This is our schedule ready. That's it for today. See you in next video.